Let me put on my mic. I think I should have just did this before I start the video. Anyway, that's some imperfections right there. We're all not perfect. But anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is JasonTycoon. This is my little corner on the internet where I share my adventures and travel experiences and all the fun moments in between. And for most of you guys who already know by now, I'm actually born and raised Jamaican, currently living in the United States. Yeah, I've been here, living here since 2010. We're now in 2025, so that's 15 years, living in the United States. And my experience living here has been good. It's been great. You basically get up in the morning, you go to work, you go home, you sleep, you get up in the morning again, you go to work, and you pay your bills, and you get up and you go to work again, and like. Alright, let me stop with this sarcasm. But yeah, with all that being said, I just think there's more to life than just doing all of that continuous cycle over and over and over. Now listen, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with working. As an adult, that's what you have to do. You have to work to pay your bills, You have to take responsibility of the things that you need to take responsibility for, you know what I'm saying? So there's nothing in having a job and working and paying your bills. There's nothing in that. But what I'm trying to say is that you have to think that there's more to life than just doing that continuously, And I just don't see that for myself, continuously just doing that over and over and over and over, So this is why I came to YouTube, because I'm trying to create a different avenue for my life, for my future, a different path, and ultimately I just want to quit my job, honestly. I just want to quit my job and become a full YouTube content creator. So that's the dream, that's the goal I have for myself. Say you're this big YouTube content creator, right? You're getting paid by YouTube and all of that. At this moment, you don't have to get up in the morning, be on a set schedule, going to your 9-to-5 regular job. You're on your own time. Let me repeat it again. You're on your own time. And I think that is where freedom comes within, Freedom as in like physical freedom. Like I said, you're on your own time. You get up whenever you want to get up in the morning. You want to sleep the whole day, you do that. You want to travel here, you want to go there, you want to do this. You're on your own time. But at the same time, you're getting paid for your content, You're basically working for yourself. So that is the type of future I see for myself, and that is what I'm trying to create. So they always say, like, try to create the future that you envision for yourself. So this is now become my YouTube journey, and I'm trying to create that future for myself, Financial freedom, physical free, everything, just freedom in general to just do whatever I want to do. I love to travel, and ultimately, I'd like to do travel vlogs, go to different countries throughout the world, go to different states, and just share my experience with you guys. As I mentioned, travel, YouTube, ever since I started posting, because I do live streams at times, and within the comment section, within the chat, people would tell me that they're from Australia, they're from Iran, they're from Pakistan, they're from Japan, various countries in Africa. So YouTube is very far reaching, you know what I mean? It's very far reaching, and that's the thing I love about YouTube. And ultimately, I would like to travel the world and perhaps meet some of my supporters someday. Just travel, you know, and meet my supporters throughout my YouTube journey. What I've learned about YouTube, there's two types of people on YouTube, right? There are content creators, and then there are people who just go on YouTube to be entertained, just to watch content, okay? But listen to what I'm saying. If you guys have any passion of becoming a content creator, right? If that's your goals, if that's your dreams, if that's what you want for yourself, to put out content, you know, become this content creator, start now. Do it. Do not wait, you know. I know it's not easy. It's not. You just gotta be consistent, you know, and be passionate about it. You know what I mean? It takes time. So eventually, whatever you're doing, it will adds up. The momentum, it will build it. Most of you guys probably on IG, right? By the way, follow me on IG, guys. I just create my account. So I put my IG right here. You guys can go ahead and follow my IG account. Appreciate you. But anyway, I was saying, if you guys have like IG account and you guys making stories, you see those stories you guys make of yourself, like little 30-second clip, 1 minute clip. You guys having the phone, videoing yourself, wherever you guys at or whatever. Use that same content and put it on YouTube. Put it in YouTube Shorts. Yeah. Do that. You gotta start somewhere. Just post on YouTube. Do not feel discouraged. Okay? I advise you to continue doing what you're doing. Nothing happened before it's time, you know. So when the right time comes, all that you have been doing throughout the years or throughout the months, the days, it will pay off. So continue doing what you're doing, you know. Believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, who's going to believe in you? You have to believe in yourself. So go ahead, start that YouTube journey right now. Start today. Start today. And guess what? You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have a camera or anything. We all have smartphones, you know. Use your phone as a camera, you know. Put it vertically, horizontal, or other way, and start putting out content. Along the way, you will get, you know, more perfect, and you will learn new stuff along the way, you know. Because the thing about human beings, anything that we indulge in, the more that we do it, the better we get at it. So that's the thing, you know. So just hit record. You just gotta hit record. Start recording and uploading content on your channel. On this channel, I used to post a lot of joins back in 2021. So on this channel, I used to do just pure joins. Nothing but joins on this channel. I never used to show my face because I'm thinking to myself, like, I don't want to be out there in camera like that or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But ultimately, I developed the courage to put myself out there, you know? I really did. Because look at me right now, looking in the camera, talking to myself, well, talking to you guys, of course, you know, but yeah. Yeah, and most of my joins, they weren't perfect. It wasn't. They weren't perfect, you know, but I still managed to put them out regardless, you know, because like I said, you just gotta start. You gotta start from somewhere, you know, and eventually, I think I've improved eventually, you know, and the video quality itself back then in 2021 wasn't perfect either, because I was using Android. This is an old Android, you know. I think this is a S. I don't remember what this is, but anyway, it's an old Android, and yeah, I've only been using that, and the video quality was really bad. The lighting was very, very bad as well, you know. And doing that for like 6 months, just drawing, and every day I put out content. I would put out like long content videos, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes videos. I'll put them out daily. I was on my grind. I was just putting out videos, you know. And also I was doing short videos as well. It's pure drawing on the channel. That's how I started out. And you know, life sometimes, and kind of slow me down from putting. I couldn't put the same energy I wanted to put in my YouTube channel as I did before, you know. So it kind of slowed me down, and I kind of like put YouTube to the side and I start focusing on other things. So this is where I'm at today now. I'm more focused on YouTube. I'm more focused on myself. I'm more focused on my journey and my future. And yeah, at the time of making this video, I just hit 500 subscribers. And with that, I'm very grateful. I'm very, very, very grateful. I'm very grateful. Yeah. I couldn't have done this without you guys. So go ahead and give yourself a round of applause for this one. And of course, you know, everything we do, we have to put God in it. So glory be to God for this, to make it happen, make it possible, you know. And of course, I have to thank myself as well for my willpower to do what I do, you know, the courage that I, you know, develop, and, you know, yeah, to make this happen, you know. So as I say, teamwork makes the dream work, you know. And so we all are team members, myself, you guys, and God. So teamwork makes the dream work. I'm giving myself by the end of this year to quit that job, yeah, and become a full YouTube content creator. Yeah, that is my aim for the ending of 2025, you know, starting 2026, yeah. So for now, I'm just gonna keep grinding, put it in the work, you know what I'm saying? You guys don't understand, like, I'm very, very excited for my 500 subscribers. That's a milestone right there, you know. It takes work and dedication to get this far. It really does, you know. And once again, I want to thank you guys to make this possible, for subscribing to the channel, commenting, liking the videos, all that good stuff. And, you know, I just want to grow this channel with grace, you know, and just embrace every moment of it, you know what I mean? So once again, I appreciate you guys for being here on this YouTube journey with me. You guys are witness, okay? You guys are witness. You're here when I'm at 500 subs, and you guys are gonna see me be at 5 million subs one day, right? You have to think big for yourself, okay? You have to have a big dream for yourself, you know? So yeah, like I said, you guys are right here when I'm 500 subs. Ultimately, you guys would be here to see me at 5 mil subs. All right. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Hit like and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos, guys.